You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these sports or game in Italian, also in French, well, not in French, doesn't matter, in English, how it's usually pronounced in English. In English, the UK British English pronunciation is pronounced Bocce, while in America, in the US, Bocce, alright? So Bocce or Bocce. There's already two different pronunciations here and a bit of a debate on how it's pronounced now. In Italian, it's pronounced Bocce. Yes, it does come from the Italian word Bocce, because C in Italian is like CH, so like cappuccino, you know. So Bocce in Italian. Some may say in English Bocce, but generally it's Bocce or Bocce, bowl. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Bocce bowl, or Italian pronunciation, Bocce bowl. And now you know it all, don't you? Let me know in the comments, how do you pronounce it yourself? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.